welcome to the video. Have you ever opened a jazz chart and seen Latin and thought, what do I play here on the bass? This happens all the time on Latin tunes like Girl From Ipanema or Song for My Father. The chart looks the same as a normal jazz standard, but you need to play a different style of bass line. In this quick jazz pathway video, I'm going to show you what to play for jazz standards that have a Latin flavour to them. And I'm also going to chat briefly about my workshop that's coming up to delve into this exact subject. You can download a free PDF with the charts and the bass line from this lesson by clicking the link below this video in the description. So grab that, that will help you with the lesson. This month I'm focusing on what I call the jazz pathway, where we're looking at what to play for walking bass lines, Latin and different jazz standards. Latin is often the missing link for players starting to play jazz bass. So in this lesson, this is what I'm going to delve into, and this is the Latin branch of my jazz pathway. Let's start with Girl From Ipanema because it's a very famous jazz standard and it shows up everywhere. It's in F major with an A, B, A form. So it means you've got an A section, a B section, which is different, and then back to the same A section. So this will say bossa when you see it on the chart. So you don't play a walking bass line, you play something different. And we play bass lines that are based around the root and the fifth, okay, for this kind of bossa Latin jazz standard style. So let's just play a simple root fifth pattern. Now we can see F major 7 is the first chord, then it goes to G7, sharp 11. We don't really need to worry about these sharp 11s, this kind of thing. You just need to worry about if the fifth is flattened or not, which you get later on in the chord progression. So we just play simple root fifths. All right, so for F, F, and the fifth is C. For G, G, and the fifth is D. G flat. You play the G flat for the root and the fifth is D flat, okay? And then you've got F and G flat again, okay? So it sounds something like this. That backing track was from the Quartet app. This is a fantastic resource if you're playing jazz. There are quite a few different versions of the Quartet app. I think 1 to 5 now. And you can buy the packages. So they've got great backing tracks that you can play to with real musicians. Now that was obviously very simple. We're just playing root and fifth for all of it. Okay, like that. We can add a few passing notes if we want. Just listen to this. I'm just going to add a few extra notes to make the rhythm a little bit more interesting. So that's another option. You don't have to be tied to the root fifth. So you can see there I just went root, fifth and up to the octave there, which is the root again, okay, just to have some variety with the patterns. You can also have a busier bass line, this kind of bossa line like this. So that's still root and fifth, but I'm using this rhythm here, okay, listen to that with the backing track. So you've got three options there, one very simple and just getting a little bit more interesting. Okay, you can mix and match those and just make a decision when you're playing this at a jam night or a gig. Now if we move on to Song for My Father, another very popular Latin jazz standard, we can use what we used in that third example to play to this chord progression, so that pattern here. And this is an F as well, it's an F minor. So this is a minor key, and Girl From Ipanema was in a major key, but we're not playing the third here, so it doesn't matter, we just have the same root fifth pattern. Alright, so for this pattern here, we're going to play F and then go to E flat. So I just start on the high F here. So still root fifth, just an octave higher, okay? And then E flat, same thing. And then D flat. Okay, and often there's a stop there on that C. Alright, so often the band will just stop. So listen to me playing that with the backing track, and I'll do that stop there and then just go back at the end, the last two bars, back to F. Concept on a lot of jazz Latin tunes is to just play it more groove based. You're not playing a walking bass line, okay? You're just repeating this kind of Latin ostinato groove. All right, so download the PDF. You've got both of these charts, and then you can play to the original songs, okay? They're in the same keys. Just find those songs and then play to them. All right, so try those root fifth patterns and mix them up a bit and play some passing notes, and that will get you started with playing Latin jazz standards. If this is clicking and you want to go beyond a couple of quick examples, then I'm running a live workshop where I look specifically at Latin bass. So you can find the details of that below if you click the link in the description. The workshop's called GBS Theory Workshop number 9, Latin Jazz Bass Lines. There are 2 live sessions on the 20th of August and the 27th of August at 3 p.m. British summertime. And we'll focus on real Latin jazz standards and what you play on the bass. We'll dig deeper into Song for My Father. I'll give you some different alternative options, and we'll also look at Blue Bossa, Afro Blue and Spain. Okay, the whole workshop is based around the question, what should the bass play when the chart says Latin? We'll cover bossa and 2-fill lines on jazz standards, Latin bass patterns and vamps, and I'll give you a small toolbox of bass patterns you can reuse on lots of tunes, not just the ones that we study. So as I said, there's a link below in the description. You can just click that and that goes to the information page, or you can head to my website gbshed.com, have a look on the home page and you'll find more details there. If this mini lesson helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what Latin jazz standard you're struggling with, and I might feature that in a future lesson or even feature it in the workshop. So leave me a comment below and let me know how you got on. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.